Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make your Wix site look more professional with a custom favicon? I will show you how to add one, but keep in mind this feature is available only for premium Wix plans. First of all, log into your Wix account and choose the site you want to edit. In your dashboard, click Settings in the left-hand menu. Then, scroll down and select Favicon under Website Settings. If you are not on premium plan, you will see a prompt to upgrade. Choose a plan that suits you and connect your domain to unlock this feature. Once upgraded, click Upload Image and add your favicon. Make sure it's a square image, ideally 512 into 512 pixels for the best results. After uploading, click Save and then publish your site. Your custom favicon will now appear in the browser tab for all visitors. That's it. With a premium plan, your Wix site now has a professional favicon. Like and subscribe for more website tips. Thanks for watching.